The Market Analysis tab in the main toolbar gives you access to a full set of tools designed to help you make better, timely and well-calculated trading decisions. Economic calendar of global market moving events. Daily technical analysis for major forex pairs and stock indices. Currency correlation and currency converter tools. Market statistics, support resistance levels, and central bank interest rates. Clicking on any of the icons opens the corresponding page on our website, where you can find the information you need to analyze the markets and decide on your trades. In the economic calendar, you can find a schedule of key global economic events occurring within the next 5 days. Interactive graphs illustrate economic indicators, historical data, market expectations, actual values, and calculated volatility. The economic calendar is a vital tool for traders, which enables you to understand the impact of key market moving events, so you can better plan your trading strategies. The technical analysis page provides day-to-day market analysis which are used to identify key technical levels for major currency pairs and stock indices. Make sure to subscribe and receive daily updates directly in your inbox. In the market statistics, you can check which are the biggest gainers and biggest losers from a given asset class. In order to get a more comprehensive picture of the market, here you can set several time intervals ranging from 1 day to 5 years.